Barbers, stop using guilt as a form of retaining clients. If you want to retain clients, what you need to use is your service, your product. If a client doesn't want to come back to you, then there's something wrong with what you're doing. Guilting them into like, oh, I see you, man. You went to another barbershop. Yeah, I see you, man. I see you. Clients should want to return to you, meaning that you need to work on your haircuts. Because many people get onto clients like as if it's the client's issue that they don't want to cut with you. It's your issue because you're doing something that they don't like. Service might be horrible. Your haircuts might not be that good. So what you need to do is work on improving those things there. And what you will find is clients will want to return to you. Guilt is a bad form because it covers up the cracks in your business. It makes you feel like there's nothing wrong when you're using guilt. And then when your business crashes, you'll be like, but why? I got clients, my clients like me. No, work on your product and your service.